Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bricks in the survival game Roblox. Bricks are a core component for building your base and crafting essential items. Understanding the process of obtaining them efficiently will significantly boost your progress. We'll cover the easiest methods to ensure you always have a steady supply for all your creative projects and survival needs. Let's dive into the first step of gathering these vital resources. The journey to getting bricks begins with mining. Explore the game world to find abundant rock formations and ore deposits. Equip your trusty pickaxe or any other mining tool you possess and start gathering. Focus on collecting raw stone and various ores, as these are the foundational materials you'll need. Remember, patience is key when accumulating a large quantity of these essential resources for your building endeavors. Once you have a good amount of raw materials, it's time to process them. Construct a furnace or a dedicated crafting station at your base. Place your collected stone and ores into the furnace to begin the refining process. This transforms raw resources into more usable forms, like refined stone or metal ingots. These refined materials are then ready to be crafted into the specific bricks you need for your structures. Beyond mining and crafting, there are other ways to expand your brick collection. Consider trading with other players for those hard-to-find or specialized brick types you might need. Additionally, keep an eye out for in-game quests and challenges, as many offer valuable brick rewards upon completion. These methods can significantly speed up your progress. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your real-world space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.